Now we're going to drill a hole through the fiberglass pole. One of the things I'd like to point out is we're using a carbide tip drill bit by Milwaukee. And I've already marked the holes. We're going to position the drill bit in the proper location and we're going to drill the hole. Now you're going to notice I'm going to relieve some of the pressure as I'm starting to drill through. I don't want to break the fiberglass out whenever the bit penetrates the pole. So I'm going to line it up, I'm going to eyeball it, make sure it's good and straight, and I'm going to drill the pole. There we go. A lot of times it'll catch a little bit right before it breaks through. That dust is inert. It's not going to hurt you. It's a little bit of a nuisance. That's why we wear gloves and long sleeves. All right, we're going to line up and we're going to drill the next hole. Same deal. I'm going to start it with a high speed. Got the drill bit lined up. All right, and that's how you drill the hole. Okay, so now I'm going to drill another hole in the pole. What we're going to do is the line crew is going to put some grounding in the pole. It's copper wire. What they chose to do is put it up through the center of the pole in order to mitigate theft. So that's something that a lot of utilities do. And this pole is, you know, it's out of the way. And there's not a lot of traffic that goes by it. So one of the things we're going to do to mitigate that theft possibility is put the copper wire up through the pole. So I'm going to drill a hole through the pole. Now what I'm doing here is I'm going to go through what you're going to see as a sleeve, and this is the FireStrong Utility Pole sleeve that actually gives this pole additional fire protection. So this pole has been designed to last 3 minutes at 2100 degrees if there was a brush fire or a grass fire here.